Hello everyone, it's me boy, your Russell Market. Welcome everyone to watching these videos. Today I will share with you my, about attitude, what I get in all my life. So that's what I'm trying to share with you today. So let me know what you guys thinking of it, what I was thinking in my life should be. So first of all, when someone was disrespecting you and they give you a little point for disrespecting, then we are lots of people are upset and often about them, or once disrespect us, we are getting crazy and we're you know hyper with them. So that's can't you can that's you don't do it because in our life you are doing like you know you're often in front of them, they can get dopamine on their head. They can do it again in front of you. They can do it again and again, disrespect you again and again. But when someone's disrespect you, you need to pause 2 minutes and look at their eyes twice. Then they can feel the guilt, what they didn't need to do it, but they do it, the disrespecting. They feel the process what they don't need to do it. So the second thing is when someone's disrespectfully hurt you and you know disturb on your physically, then you are not often. You don't need to often. They do it little by little. You don't need to often. You need to pause 5 seconds and slowly say their name, and they're getting away, and they really realize that they're doing the bad thing with you. Yeah, you need to pause. They're overthinking, and they gonna be doubt himself, they what they're doing, what they don't need to do it. So you know you need to doubt themselves when they're doing something bad. You need to focus on yourself only, not others thing. They're gonna disrespect you. You need to pause 2 minutes and looking their eyes to eyes. They're gonna be shut down their mouth and they're overthinking about it, what they say that is wrong or right. So that kind of thing gonna be confused your enemies, what they disrespect you a lots of time. So the third thing is it that I love to share with you, and you need to know this. And also when they disrespect you in front of the others people, then you need to do one thing that's giving them big trouble. You need to do like you need to do when they disrespect you in front of the people, you need to pause 5 seconds also, and you say them the you know what they have good thing about it. You can mm, giving good advice, or you can say what they achieve it and what you can complimenting them, what they achieve it and what they get. You need to compliment them and you say to them, you're so beautiful right now, you're looking so beautiful. Or you say to them, your dress looks nice, your dress looks nice. They are have a big trouble. They thinking and overthinking about this thing, that you are I'm disrespect you, why you say good thing about me. They overthinking and overthinking. They can't sleep at night. What you said this thing, that's gonna be shut down their mouth when they again disrespect you. They're gonna be overthinking and they have a big trouble. So that is the best thing that I ever learning in my life. I also using this thing that can give me a big result than at ever I seen. So you need to using this thing that can improving your you know about respect, and who disrespect you, they're gonna be have big trouble. So let's go for it, doing this and implementing this kind of thing. So let me know in the comment below how you benefit with this word, and see you soon in the next video, and love you all, and bye bye.